All right, it's time for barbecue sandwiches. So we have the second half of our chuck roast that we braised in the apple cider. Again, braising in the apple cider allows you to use the finished product in a variety of different ways. So whether it's a pot roast or barbecue sandwiches or enchiladas, you have that ability to add your seasonings after it's been braised. So for this, I'm just going to use a knife and chop it up a little bit and pull it apart with my hands. The meat will actually absorb some of those juices, which is wonderful. You can shred this as fine as you'd like. It's just so tender. And we'll bring it to heat once we get it back on the stove. Our pulled meat is reheating in the juices, and as you can see, it's absorbed quite a bit of the au jus already. And I've prepared a barbecue sauce that we're just going to add to it. Again, we'll include my recipe for the homemade barbecue sauce with your purchase. And add the sauce to your liking. I don't like it terribly barbecue-y, so I'm just going to add a little bit, give it a stir, taste it, and see if it's at that level. So I would say I've added about a cup of barbecue to this mixture. And we're just going to bring it to full heat, and voila, you have barbecue sandwiches. I have some brioche rolls here that I've toasted. Oh yeah, that looks fabulous. And pile it on, again, to your liking. You could also make little sliders out of this. That would be really fun for a party. So we have more in the pan, and this has made 4 fabulous hearty sandwiches. I'm going to top one with some pickles here, so we can, of course, yes, try it, because we have to. It's our job, right? This is a couple napkin kind of a sandwich. It's so good. Pulled buffalo barbecue sandwiches made from a braised chuck roast. You can't beat it, really. I promise you, you're gonna love it. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you come back and watch another How to Cook Bison series. Bring your napkins. Thanks again. Bye-bye.